Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable your PIN on Signal app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign into your Signal account. Now on your screen, you're gonna find chats, calls and stories on the bottom of your screen, while if you go to the top left corner, you're gonna find your user icon. Select the user icon, then select settings. Once you go to settings, you can see options like account, link devices, donate to Signal, appearance, chats, stories, etc. You have to go to account. Once you go to account, you're gonna find options like change your PIN, PIN reminders, registration lock and advanced PIN settings. Go to advanced PIN settings. You can see the first option there is disable PIN. Just tap on it. Then from the small menu appearing from the bottom of your screen, just tap on disable PIN again. And there you go. That's how you disable your PIN on Signal app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.